Here we are in a Tully's coffee shop, which is a coffee shop chain based in Seattle. You can also order meals here like sandwiches, pasta and even salads. We ordered pasta with pesto basil sauce. This meal comes with a side salad. The best-selling product this season is the Halloween pumpkin cream latte. Let's have a look at the coffee. The cream is very thick and pumpkin flavored. It is very sweet, so you don't need extra sugar to sweeten the coffee. It is more delicious than the Starbucks Halloween spiced pumpkin coffee. You can clearly taste the pumpkin flavor. This product is worth a try if you visit Tully's during autumn. Feel free to subscribe for more weekly food seeing videos. Thanks for watching.